Sorry about the terrible quality of sound and picture on this. I must get a better webcam. Anyway, I'm Splodge and this is my World Cup song for 2010. I got the idea because I was watching Sky Sports News the other day and I heard a quote from Wayne Bridge. He said, some of the team are on me bitch. She thinks it's all over. Well, it is now, you cow. He's staying home, he's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home, he's staying home, he's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home, he's staying home, he's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home, he's staying home, he's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home. Well, everyone's had her, that's for sure, but Vanessa, she wants more. So JT thought he'd score, so when he knows his wife is away, then he can play away, 'cause he likes lingerie. Get in the box and Terry loves a flirt. He bangs her till she's screaming. He's wiped it on Wayne's shirt, and now it needs dry cleaning. You gotta go chat with Fabio, 'cause your sex life's all on show. Sorry John, it's Cheerio, and you're so sorry for shagging that wench while you sat on the bench, 'cause we all know the French are cheating bastards. You treat your mates like dirt, you'll never stop your scheming, and your best friend got hurt. He's jacked the England team in. Everything didn't go as planned, 'cause he would not shake your hand. Now you've lost the armband. As the England captain, you scored an own goal with a girlfriend you stole, and just like Ashley Cole, there's no girls allowed now, and all the Chelsea squad are down the King's Road shopping. But you're home texting wags, 'cause you prefer wife swapping. There's Lampard, Cole and Czech, there's Drogba and Malouda. They know you can't gag the press, the whole team knows you screwed her, and you did it again, and you did it again. He's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home, he's staying home, he's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home. You should make up with your wife and think how she is feeling. Try rebuild your life, 'cause you must start the healing. You love chasing skirts, 'cause it's always been appealing. You're wondering which tart's next, for staring at your ceiling. He's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home, he's staying home, he's staying home, he's staying, Bridge is staying home, he's staying home, he's staying home. Left back Wayne Bridge is staying home, he's staying home, he's staying home. Poor old Wayne Bridge is staying home. So come on John, is there anybody in the England team you can honestly say that you look up to? Other than Peter Crouch, of course.